Hello there, BoBo, the Bitcoiner is back again. Welcome back to Bitcoin Learning. My regular subscribers had seen this before, but it can be a refresher for them as well. So let's start. Most people think Bitcoin is just a digital money, but that's not the important part. The real breakthrough is this: Bitcoin is the first ledger in human history that doesn't need anyone to trust. And once you understand this, everything else suddenly becomes easier and it makes sense. Let's start again. A ledger is a record of who owns what, right? Just like Excel. Bank use ledger, government use ledger, companies use ledger, even your notebook where you track expenses, that's a ledger. So the idea of a ledger is not new. What is new is how Bitcoin keeps one. Traditional ledger has one big weakness: someone control them. And when someone control the ledger, three things happen. They can change it, right? Once you're under the control, they can change it. Your account can be freezed, reverse transaction, and your balance can be adjusted. They can hide it. You don't get to see the real number. And three, they can be hijacked or corrupted because it's stored in one place. That is why bank fails. That is why government inflate currency. That is why companies commit accounting fraud. The ledger is powerful but fragile because it depends on trust. Bitcoin flipped the whole idea upside down. Instead of one authority controlling the ledger, millions of computers around the world share the same copy of ledger, just one copy. There's no CEO, no bank, no government, no company. Everyone sees the same ledger. Everyone verifies the same rules. And everyone check everyone else. This creates something humanity had never had before. A ledger that nobody controls, but everyone can trust. So how did this make Bitcoin better? Let's break down why this matters. It's transparent. Everyone can inspect the ledger. Nothing can be hidden. It's unchangeable. Once a transaction is confirmed, nobody can rewrite the history or old record. You cannot alter it. You cannot erase it. You cannot hide it. Not even the richest person. Not even the most powerful government. The ledger doesn't care where you live. It works in Singapore, in Vietnam, in Bangladesh, or in America. You don't need permission to use it. You don't need a bank account. No paperwork. No approval necessary. Now, how come? Because millions of computers protect it. It's the most secure ledger ever created. That is why Bitcoin is not just a digital money, it's a better accounting system for the entire world. And here's a part that most beginners often miss. A better ledger means your money can't be frozen, your saving can't be diluted, your transaction can't be censored, your wealth can't be quietly taken away, and your financial history can't be rewritten. So, for the first time, ordinary people get the same financial protection that only the powerful used to have. That's the real revolution. Bitcoin is not trying to replace the bank. It's replacing the ledger that the bank depend on. And when you replace the ledger, you change everything built on top of it. You change money, payment, saving, property, and contract, even trust itself. That's why Bitcoin matters. Not because it's digital, but because it's a better ledger for the digital world. If this episode helps you understand Bitcoin more clearly, hit the like button so that YouTube knows this content is useful. And subscribe if you want the next episode in this beginner series that you can follow. Because we are going deeper step by step without the hype and without the nonsense. In the next episode, I'll probably explain exactly what is decentralization. It's a very powerful feature that none in the world has ever able to make a system decentralized. Also, share it with your friends and family to understand Bitcoin better. Okay? So, see you next time with the follow-up series. Enjoy today. Bye-bye.